What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 360 cameras in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In the ongoing search for a product that offers maximum worth for the money invested, our recommendation is none other than the Ricoh Theta SC2. We believe it to be the best value 360 camera in 2023. The Theta SC2 stands out in its ability to capture photos and videos with remarkable ease, especially when you consider its price point. Its design is so sleek and modern that one could easily mistake it for a high-end remote control if they were unaware of its true capabilities. The device's design is minimalist, with one side featuring only the Theta brand name and the other sporting a single button with a small OLED screen that displays shooting mode and battery life information. The ultra-thin device reserves one side for a clean look devoid of any buttons or ports, while the other side houses 4 buttons: power, Wi-Fi, mode, and timer. The top of the device incorporates 4 ports for a built-in stereo microphone, and the bottom includes a standard 0.25-inch 20 tripod mount and a micro USB port for charging and data transfer. While the Ricoh Theta SC2 can function independently, it requires pairing with an Android or iOS device for initial setup and content transfer. The camera utilizes dual 12-megapixel 2.3-inch CMOS sensors, each backed by a 7-element f2 lens. This might lead you to expect a 24-megapixel image upon clicking the shutter button. However, due to the overlapping and distortion correction necessary to capture a full 360-degree image with just 2 lenses, the final photo resolution from the Theta SC2 is 14.5 megapixels. The Ricoh Theta SC2 has simplified the process of capturing 360-degree photos and videos, making it as straightforward as using any standard point-and-shoot camera. This is quite an achievement considering the significant processing power and software needed to transform 360-degree media into a format that's easy to view and share. One of the camera's key features is its new preset mode, which enables you to capture stunning night scenes with low noise and wider dynamic range. Additionally, it comes with a face detection feature, making it excellent for taking beautiful portraits. Given its capabilities and the asking price, the Ricoh Theta SC2 is an unbeatable option. Our review spotlight now shines on the Insta360 X3, a product that has earned its reputation as the most versatile 360 camera in 2023. This action-packed camera takes the remarkable features of its predecessor, the One X2, and amplifies them to a new level. The Insta360 X3 is a joy to handle, with its convenient design allowing for easy handheld use without the need for mounts. It boasts an expansive screen, advanced stabilization technology, and a potent HDR mode, all of which contribute to delivering exceptional results. While its forte is undoubtedly capturing 360-degree videos, this dynamic device can also record impressive 4K footage with a standard action camera view, surpassing the GoPro Max in terms of clarity. Editing your footage is simple and efficient, taking only a few minutes for shorter clips once you familiarize yourself with the extensive yet intuitive tools. The design of the Insta360 X3 retains its predecessor's stick-like structure, but with a threaded mounting point at the bottom for attaching a selfie stick if desired. Despite the absence of an ergonomic grip design, it fits comfortably in the hand, with the sides featuring a diamond-embossed texture for improved grip. The front and back are crafted from soft-touch plastic, adding to the overall pleasing aesthetics. The camera feels natural in your hand, with conveniently placed buttons below the screen for starting video recording and switching between front and rear lens views. These buttons operate much like navigation keys on an Android phone, adding to the device's convenience. The most significant design upgrade in the Insta360 X3 is its screen. Unlike the small square screens of modular cameras or the small round aperture of the Insta360 One X2, the X3 boasts a large upright display that outshines even the GoPro Max's screen. This design caters primarily to influencers and content creators who often share videos on social media platforms. The new X3 sensors offer more pixels, enhancing clarity and detail even in low-light conditions. They facilitate the capture of 72-megapixel photos, 8K time-lapses, and more, making the Insta360 X3 a truly versatile and comprehensive 360 camera for 2023. For those who don't mind shelling out a bit extra for superior quality, our top pick for the best high-end 360 camera in 2023 is none other than the Ricoh Theta X. This remarkable device can capture images up to an astonishing resolution of 11K, 11,008 by 5504. It proudly stands as the pioneer of 360 camera camera capable of recording stabilized 360 videos in 5.7K without requiring any stitching, a common stumbling block with devices of this kind. The world of 360 cameras, despite their immense utility, is often marred by a significant limitation, the necessity to stitch videos together. Since these cameras employ 2 or more lenses, stitching refers to the process wherein images from different sensors are fused to create one comprehensive 360-degree photo or video. While this isn't much of a problem when dealing with only a handful of photos or videos, it becomes a time-consuming task when the number of videos increases. Hence, the ideal scenario for any consumer 360 camera would be to offer stabilized videos with real-time stitching. Once you've captured your shots with the Theta X, you're left with fully stitched and stabilized photos and videos ready to be utilized immediately, eliminating the need for any additional processing. The camera's new sensor, boasting approximately 48 megapixels, enables capturing of high-resolution 360-degree photos with a maximum output resolution of about 60 megapixels. One of the key features of the Theta X is its ability to change the battery and memory card. This means users can continue shooting without worrying about battery life or storage capacity, even during extended shooting sessions or when taking numerous pictures. The connection with smartphones has been enhanced through a new wireless Bluetooth connection procedure. As a bonus, the Ricoh Theta X offers rapid HDR rendering and quick image transfer to the smartphone. Its body is made of magnesium alloy, ensuring durability and excellent heat dissipation properties. Additionally, the camera can be powered via the USB Type-C port located on the side of the main body, even while using a tripod and without needing the optional expansion adapter. In summary, if your budget allows, we strongly encourage investing in the Ricoh Theta X. Its incredible features and performance make it worth every penny. Moving on to the next candidate in our list of reviews, we present the runner-up for the title of the best 360 camera in 2023, the Insta360 One X2. This versatile gadget eliminates the hassle of framing and deciding what to capture. Instead, you can record everything and later select and share your preferred content using its robust software. The Insta360 One X2 serves a dual purpose, functioning as both an action camera and a 360-degree camera. This allows you to capture your surroundings in various ways and share these unique perspectives with others who might not have the same opportunity to explore. Among the array of features this camera brings to the table, one stands out: the invisible selfie stick. The Insta360 software magically erases the selfie stick from your footage, creating the illusion that a drone is capturing your adventures. Sporting a sturdy build and user-friendly, efficient software, the Insta360 X1 delivers impressive results. Its design resembles a slightly oversized candy bar, with 2 domed camera lenses gracing each side of the top. The camera's exterior features a soft-touch material with textured sides for a secure grip. Centered on the front, you'll find a single camera lens accompanied by a circular color touchscreen. The record button is conveniently located below this screen. The touchscreen responds to taps and swipes, providing an alternative to controlling the camera via your smartphone. On the right side lies the power button, distance from the speaker hole. Port covers for the USB-C power and battery compartment are found on the left side. A second dome camera adorns the upper back area, while an indicator light is positioned on the lower back. A standard tripod connection is centered on the base, which is flat enough to let the camera stand alone for shooting. The device also houses 4 microphones, 2 situated below each camera lens and the remaining 2 on top of each side panel. Key features like excellent stabilization, horizon lock, and an invisible selfie stick facilitate capturing high-quality content. Shoot first in every direction with super 5.7K 360 footage, then pick your favorite angle later. Alternatively, opt for the Steadicam mode for ultra-steady wide-angle shots using just one lens. Lastly, the Insta360 One X2 boasts a waterproof rating up to 10 meters, 33 feet. All things considered, this camera gets a firm thumbs up. As we conclude our list of the best 360 cameras in 2023, we crown the GoPro Max as our top pick for its unparalleled functionality and versatility. This camera is a dream come true for those desiring to capture their adventures in a full 360-degree view without compromising the flexibility of a single-lens action camera. The GoPro Max, being the second iteration of GoPro's 360 cameras, significantly outperforms its predecessor, the GoPro Fusion, in terms of design and capabilities. The Max is lighter and more compact than the Fusion, aligning with the size of the GoPro Hero series cameras, making it a handy companion for your outdoor escapades. This remarkable device boasts a full-touch LCD display, allowing easy navigation and control. It impresses with its ability to record high-quality 5.6K videos at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant footage. When used as a single-lens action camera, the Hero mode enables users to shoot non-stop 360 videos at 1440p resolution and 60 frames per second. A standout feature of the GoPro Max is its front LCD screen, which doubles as a camera. This, coupled with an enhanced 6-microphone setup, hyper-smooth 2 stabilization, and a robust 1600 mAh battery, makes the Max an excellent choice for vlogging and casual outdoor activities like skateboarding. The GoPro Max's unique design includes seams that facilitate 360-degree video recording up to 5K resolution, placing it at the forefront of 360 cameras on the market. It simplifies the viewing of 360-degree footage with its in-camera stitching feature, an upgrade from the Fusion. The GoPro Quick app and the GoPro Player app allow for seamless editing of your captured moments. In Hero mode, the horizon leveling feature ensures smooth, cinematic quality footage, whether you're sidestepping, flipping midair, or chasing after your little ones. The Max also allows you to capture stunning 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without sweeping the horizon, a truly innovative feature. The 6 microphones of the Max capture immersive 360-degree audio, delivering some of the best stereo sound quality ever produced by a GoPro. The Max gives you the liberty to shoot traditional Hero-style videos and photos, or immerse yourself in capturing 360-degree footage. For vloggers, the Max offers a top-notch performance with its shotgun microphone and the front-facing display, amplifying their content creation experience. In essence, the GoPro Max stands tall as the best overall 360 camera in 2023. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 360 cameras in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.